Number 3. Aku number 3 tapi. What's up? Hi guys, I'm Zach. Before we start, I'm gonna show you a snippet of a good friend of mine that's related to today's topic.
Did you know that a really good wallpaper can last for up to 15 years?
Today I will tell you 5 fun facts about wallpapers according to e-zine article. Number 1. Did you know the oldest known pieces of European wallpaper in existence are from the 1509 and were found on the beam of the lodge of Christ's College in Cambridge, England. Wow, that's a mouthful. This actually appeared in the BBC. Very interesting, huh? So number 2. In 1675, Jean-Michel Papillon, began making block designs in identical repetitive patterns on rolls of paper, which are known to be wallpapers today. Number 3. In 1778, Louis XVI issued a decree that a wallpaper must be 34 feet. Today, the standard length of a wallpaper roll is 33 feet. But you know what else is 33 feet? Number 4. During the 1920s, nearly 400 millions of wallpapers were sold, resulting the golden age of wallpaper. Number 5. After World War II, wallpaper was improved with plastic resins, which made it more durable, washable, and more resistant. So, if you think that wallpaper is just some kind of paper that someone just randomly pastes on a wall and made money out of it, no. Wallpaper came a long way to be one of the best trending and must-have in home renovation. Oh, speaking of wallpapers, if you're trying to find your desired wallpaper, you should go to the Wall Story. They are your wallpaper specialists and they have a wide range of wallpapers. Korean, Belgium, Italian, the UK, and many more. Hope all of these are useful. That's all from me. Thank you and goodbye.